All right, Alex Lane, this video is for you. Zinja and Zulu want to thank you for your 2 super chats and show you what they are about to have. We got them some Buddy Softy natural peanut butter treats, grain-free, and they're about to enjoy them. So enjoy the video.
What are you getting? What? You're getting what? You getting this? You ready for it? What?
I'm so excited.
I gotta try to get it open. All right, let's see. And this is peanut butter flavor, made in the U.S. So who are we thanking here?
Alex Lane.
Alex Lane, thank you so much. So Zulu and Zinja are gonna do a little dance for you. Oh, let me get the other one. They're gonna do a little dance. Dance, dance, dance. Bum, bum, bum. Nice. Bum, 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 bum. Nice. Bum, 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 bum. Awesome. And we're gonna do something else. You like that? Okay, let's make it last. Okay, now we're gonna do up and turn. Up, up and turn. Oh, okay, let's just do that. It's called tornado. Nice, Zulu. And Zinja knows how to do tornado. Oh, what happened? Nice.
You got him trained really well on that one.
Okay, now we're gonna do, come here, Zinj. Zinj, you're missing out. Come over here. Come here. Okay, sit. High five. No, sit. No. High five. Thank you. And down. Nice. Sit. High five. Nice. And down. Awesome. You guys did it. Say thank you.
Thanks again, Alex. We really appreciate it.
And they love it.
They're going to be enjoying these Buddy Softies for a while, so thanks again.
Zoom in on that.
We'll see you in the next video, guys.
Say thank you.
Zulu
for my
says,
treat.
"Boop."